welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have CMR, Cushane Potter. And here we will see him in court, his first court appearance. And the judge is asking him about his finances basically, to find out, how much he's making in terms, to allow him bail, along with other things. Here you will find where the judge is going to, you know, grant him bail and also advise him not to go back to the same residence where the alleged case happened. So people are still in, bit confused about what is going on in this. And for me, I wasn't going to come out about it until I saw something to see that, he was in court for real, because sometimes you do not want to basically jump up and make a conclusion based on what you see on social media. However, this is a case where it is, and I still don't know, and I'm not going to say where this issue is or with what female or what child this molestation allegedly took place, and and at what house or where, or who they're referring to say that he's not supposed to go back to, because people have different stories about it on social media, and you never want to be the one to bring the wrong news. So just watch this and hear what he has to say. And when there are further updates, any other information as to who this is, the child is, or what the situation is, then, social media will have that out as well. So guys, go and watch the video. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating your wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my subscribers, have yourselves a wonderful rest of this evening. And also remember, all those that are in Jamaica, please stay warm, stay safe as the storm passes by. Have a great one.
Well, actually, this indicates that you don't qualify for the Office of Public Defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year.
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year, we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, it seemed this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is
Just yes or no?
Oh,
Okay.
no, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000. If he's incarcerated, he's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of little lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for pre-trial.
going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Yes, sir.